Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to give officers a break in ready or not step by step. So this feature helps your squad recover between the missions and keep your team ready for the high stress operations. First of all, from the main headquarters, you just have to walk to the command board and you need to use the tablet menu to open your team management options. Here, you are going to see all of the assigned officers, their current status and morale. You need to look for anyone that is showing tired or injured. So those are the ones that need a break. Afterwards, you just have to select the tired officer and choose the give break or the rest option, which is going to temporarily remove them from the active missions so they can recover. Now you can either fast forward time in headquarter or you can assign a different officer for your next mission. After a few in-game hours, rested officers will automatically turn to the full condition. Now before leaving headquarter, always hit the save button to make sure that your officer roster updates properly. Otherwise, fatigue settings may reset too. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.